Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing this new project of mine. I made this for one of my clients. She wanted to give this to her friend. So she wanted a photo frame. So I thought of making a wall hanging photo frame. So as you can see, there are 3 photo frames in this. So let me give you a closer look. So this is the first one, and there's some blings around, and I made a paper rosette and tied a paper string over here. And the second one is also done with the blings and a paper rosette. There's a wooden paper clip and sorry cloth spin, and that's her name. So the third one is also adorned with some blings and a paper rosette, some banners and some strings. So that was my project for today. Hope you all like it, and please share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my video.